This Caesar dressing without anchovies is delicious. We use Worcestershire to get that little bit of bite, and it's very good. And you can use it on almost any recipe, all the dressing you want, all the salads you want to put it on. It can be a great marinade, and it's delicious.
Let's start with the ingredients. This recipe is super simple to make and tastes delicious. Our ingredients are olive oil, mayo, Dijon mustard, garlic, lemon juice, vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, pepper, canola oil, and Parmesan. Add everything to the blender except the oil and Parmesan and then blend those well together. Then pour the oil into the blender a little at a time. The opening in the lid is designed for this. Next, add the Parmesan and pulse 5 to 6 times to blend. Then pour into a jar for storage in the refrigerator.
Ooh. Oh, it does have a little bite to it. Store it in your fridge in a little jar and use it over the next few days.
For an email with a link to this recipe, email me at support@renaldiethq.com and put Caesar dressing in the subject line, and we will reply with the link.